question 4. So part 1 is very straightforward. Remember, we're given the formula, so we've just got to substitute in. A is 2, B is x, and n is 5. So we're just being asked to do all the terms, so just follow the pattern here in blue. Remember, 5 choose 2 just means 5 times 4 over 1 times 2. 5 choose 3 is the same thing as 5 choose 2, so it's another 5 times 4 over 1 times 2. So that's the final answer for part 1. Now for part 2, there are a number of different ways of doing this. I think the simplest is really just to really follow part 1. So 2 is still 2, but really our second term, our plus x, is being replaced by 3y plus y squared. So looking back at the expansion, every time we've got an x, we're now going to have a 3y plus y squared. So a 3y plus y squared here, a 3y plus y squared, all squared here, and so on. So I've just set these out here in purple just with that substitution. And remember what we're doing, we're trying to look for all the times that a y cubed crops up. Well, none here, none here. The only y cubes we're going to get here is when you multiply out this this bracket by itself. So think what you're going to get here. When you multiply 3y plus y squared by 3y plus y squared, you get this. And then we've got 80 lots of that. So the y cubes we're going to get are 80 times 3 plus 3. So 80 times 6, so we get 480 out of here. Now moving on to our fourth term here, our only y cubes are going to come when it's the 3y times the 3y times the 3y. So 27 y cubes, 40 lots of that, so 40 lots of 27. So our total number of y cubes are going to be these two added together, which is 1560.